Hi, my name is Mason. I'm a service advisor at Bell Ford. Today I'm going to talk about where to locate your fix-a-flat kit with vehicles not equipped with a spare tire. First thing you want to do is open up your trunk. Inside here, it's going to be a trunk cover. The fix-a-flat kit is usually located underneath the trunk cover. You want to pull that up, and the first thing you will see is the compressor itself, which is the fix-a-flat kit. There is a devoted instruction on what scenario that you're currently in, where if your tires are low on the PSI, or if you have a nail in the tire and you need to make it to a designated location before it goes flat. It's a pretty simple installation here. What you need to do is just twist the knob onto the valve stem, click into its place, and you're ready to go. On scenarios where your tires are low on the tire pressure and it's leaking, you would want to switch this over to the repair side. It's gonna unlock the bottle chemical to plug up the hole that's in it. You do not have to do anything else. You just click the power button and it will automatically fill up the tires and plug up the hole in your tire. Thanks for watching the video. My name is Mason. If you have any questions, call Bell Ford and we'll take care of you.